Howdy guys, this is Refurbish products. Some products are my cell phones. You want to purchase? I give you description by my contact number. The timings will be call me. You want to purchase these cell phones? This is the three SIM phone. This is Redmi Note 4. This is one more Redmi Note 4. This is a Moto G third generation. This is Redmi Note. Sorry, not Redmi Note. This one MI. Lite version, then MI A2 Lite version. This is Redmi Note 5 Pro. Some cell phones. Want to purchase this one? I give you a link to want to purchase. Otherwise, call to contact my shop. This is our phones. Have more phones. Have some boxes, some invoice also. This is our phones. Sorry guys, some noise. Okay guys, like video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Anything a question, please question in the comment section. I give you answer. Anything I want to purchase in online shopping, I'll give you link to want to purchase. Okay guys, bye.